viewers, welcome to Josiah GIS and Remote Sensing tutorial channel. Today we will begin a new GIS and remote sensing series using ArcGIS ranging from beginner to advanced. Therefore, there's no need to worry about not knowing the fundamental or the basis of GIS and remote sensing using ArcGIS. Now, the next objective is how to launch ArcGIS or ArcMap on your laptop. But before then, you must make sure that you have successfully installed ArcGIS onto your computer. If you don't have it, you can write it in the comment section for assistance. To launch it for the first time, come to the search window and search Arc. So you can see the components of ArcGIS desktop, but for this tutorial, we're making use of ArcMap 10.8 version. If you don't have this version, have any other version, you can also use that. So double click on it and wait for it to launch depending on the processing speed of your laptop. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully launched our ArcMap. For beginners, it's either you close it or you cancel it. Now we have the interface of ArcMap. The interface of ArcMap can be put into four main parts. On top here, we have the menu and toolbars. We have the table of contents. We have the data frame or map display window, and we have the status bar. Now let's go to the top here. Now the top here display activate toolbars that are needed for navigating, editing, processing, and analyzing map data. Aside the standard toolbar here and the basic toolbar, there are a lot of toolbars that can be activated whenever they are needed. All you need to do is just right click on any part of the top here. You can see the standard toolbar is activated here. Then, for instance, let's activate the drawing tool. So you can see that what it has display here. You can hold it, drag it to anywhere that you want to position it to customize your interface. For this tutorial, I would like to position it here. Okay. For instance, we don't need the drawing tool. All we need to do is right click on top here and deactivate it. It is gone. Now let's come to the table of contents here. The table of contents display all the layer of our map data that is added to the software. It allows us to organize and manage our map layer to produce a beautiful map here. There are sometimes we mistakenly close our table of contents. You can bring it back by going to the standard toolbar here and click on the table of contents. It comes back. You can decide to hide it by clicking on this icon to hide it, or you can still pin it here. You can also move it around to position it anywhere that you want it to customize your interface. For beginners, it is better to always position it at the left-hand side. So double click on it to go back to its original position. The map frame or the data frame is basically for data visualization. So all the data that will be added to the software will display here. Now on the right side, you can see the scroll bar. Down here too, you can see the scroll bar that is also used for navigating. Now down here, we have two small buttons here. The first one is our data view for our analysis. Then we have our layer view for producing our final map for export. Let's quickly move to the status bar. The status bar display the map units and the coordinates of the data that is added into the software. Because we don't have any data added to it, that's why we are not seeing the coordinates here. But for right now, you can see the unit of the map data. I hope you are familiar with the interface of ArcMap. Thank you. To ensure that you never miss any of the next videos that will be coming, simply subscribe to the channel